Hello students. Today we are going to continue with our previous lecture, Human Environment Interactions, Tropical and Subtropical Regions. In the previous lecture, we studied about the tropical zone where we mentioned the Amazonian basin and the rainforest we find there, the climatic condition, the life of people existing there, and how it is affected by the new developmental activities. Continuing with the same chapter, today we will move towards the subtropical region that has an example from the Asian, or to be specific, the South Asian part, the Ganga Brahmaputra basin from the Indian subcontinent. As we studied earlier, the tropical region lies 10 degrees north and south of the equator. If we move a little further from that, we come across the subtropical region. It would be counted from 10 degrees north to 30 degrees north, and the same 10 degrees north to 30 degrees south. The Ganga Brahmaputra region, as you can see in the map, is located in the Indian subcontinent. The Ganga River, counted one of the biggest rivers in this region, is originating from the Great Himalayas. The flow of the river is towards the east and it meets Brahmaputra River, which joins it from the northeastern part of the country, and they meet in Bangladesh, forming a large delta known as the Sundarban Delta, and then meeting Bay of Bengal. The river Ganga is comprised of not just one river, it has many tributaries joining it from both north and south direction. From north, it is joined by Ghaggar, Gandak, Kosi as major, added by Yamuna, Chambal, Betwa, Son, etc. rivers. As we can see in this map, that the river is flowing through a very large area, and this whole zone is benefited by the alluvial soil which the river deposit on its bank. Thus, the whole zone is very fertile. Not just the area around the Ganga river, but the area around the Brahmaputra river as well. But the benefit is more towards the Ganga river zone, as it is an entire long plain area which can be used for agriculture in a mass manner. But if we take the zone of Brahmaputra, we see that it is conglomerated between a lot of mountain ranges. From the north, we see that there is Himalayas, but towards the east, we have the Purvanchal range, and towards south, we have the Garo Khasi Jaintia. So it is enclosed in between these mountain ranges. Thus, it gives a very little scope for the river to expand. Yet, the river Brahmaputra is known as one of the largest in this area, largest in the sense of the quantity of water it carries. It even forms riverine islands carries. Being very fertile, the flora and fauna is very rich in this zone. We see that the Brahmaputra plains carry thick bamboo groves and coniferous trees like pine, deodar, fir, etc. If we move towards the Ganga plain, we find more of tropical deciduous trees like teak, sal, and peepal. The fauna type is also very rich in this area, especially in the Sundarban Delta zone, as the delta comprised of rich alluvial soil plus abundance of water, both fresh and salty. This results into development of very dense forests. These dense forests are sometimes very useful for providing a habitat for a variety of wildlife in the basin. We find animals like monkeys and deers, crocodiles, alligators, to giant animals like elephants, rhinoceros, and tigers as well. So the fauna is very rich, not just on the land, but also in the coastal water area as well. The aquatic life, both from fresh river to the Bay of Bengal, we see that a variety of fishes like hilsa, katla, rohu are found here, which is very famous in the local cuisine. The diet of the people is basically comprised of fish and rice in this area. To extend the aquatic life variations in the Ganga Brahmaputra River, a variety of dolphin, which is locally known as susu or blind dolphin, is found. It is an indication that the river is running in a healthy manner. But in recent times, the situation has converted a little bit because of excessive excretion of industrial waste in these rivers. The population of these dolphins is continuously seen decreasing. The life of people being a very fertile zone, as we studied earlier, this whole zone invites a lot of population to live and do agriculture around this whole zone. This has resulted into evolvement of big cities like Delhi, Allahabad, Varanasi, Agra, Patna, Kolkata to emerge on the banks of these rivers. These cities are immensely populated, and this population secretes a lot of wastage, a lot of garbage, which is disposed of in these big rivers only. We see that the river's pollution level is continuously increasing, which is making these river poisonous in a very speedy manner. As some of these places are also famous tourist attractions, the addition of population which comes to visit. So we see that such a rich zone which provides you with a intense area of alluvial soil plus a vast variety of flora and fauna is continuously in danger because of the increasing population and its effect on the zone. So what is required is, if we can manage the damages that is done to the river, if we can treat the wastage which is disposed of into the river and maintain the ecosystem of these river, the condition could be improved in a massive manner. Thank you.